guys, welcome back. So today we are going to go over the Chanel 23B collection. I am definitely late on this, okay? I'm late because the collection came out like a full week ago. Usually I like to post these pretty much as soon as humanly possible when the collections come out. If you follow me on Instagram, which you definitely should if you're not already, it's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. But if you do follow me on Instagram, I told you guys I was not gonna upload on Sunday, so I missed my last Sunday's video because I was burnt out, I was exhausted, I'm a little sick. I don't know if you guys can tell from the beautiful sound of my voice. I wasn't up to it, but I am ish now, so we're gonna do it now. So if you guys want to see what I think about the new Chanel 23B collection, which is the Fall Winter Act 1, by the way, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like the 23B collection, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. Let me move over a little, even though I feel like I'm already off center, so it's fine. It's fine. So let's start with flat bags. First bag is mini flat bag with top handle. I'm actually surprised that they're actually classifying this as a, oh, I pressed back. I'm very surprised that they're actually classifying this as a bag. This looks more of like an SLG type situation, but it's in this red tweed with some purple, some black. It's not the best tweed, but it's honestly, it's not the worst tweed either. I really hate bags that are like vertical like that. That's vertical, right? Yeah, that's right. I don't like vertical bags at all, so I wouldn't be interested in this. $5,100 for a little ass tweed bag is also extortionate. Here we've got a nice burgundy bag. You guys know I'm on the hunt for the best burgundy bag. I'm letting you guys know right now, I am hunting for it. I am on the prowl. I need a burgundy bag. So excited to see that burgundy is in this collection. However, not excited to see it in this bag. This bag to me, it's not cute. It's not cute is the thing. And it's $5,700. Like, that's not it. I really don't like this like buckle strap situation. That just doesn't feel very Chanel to me. Like, Chanel is a little bit more posh in my mind than this buckle strap. But I guess if you're more on the edgy side, maybe you would like something like this. We have a classic flap. This is jersey. This is wool. And this is price upon request. Although actually, that's not surprising because I feel like all of the classic flaps are price upon request now. But the fact that this is wool is just very not exciting to me. I don't think this is worth it whatsoever. No. Oh, it's a mini square in red. $4,700 for the mini square. Why did I think it was more than that? Honestly, I love the minis. You guys obviously know that I love the minis, and I feel like that's definitely worth it in my opinion. So, and I actually think I would definitely buy a mini square. We have a mini flat bag. This looks like a smaller version. Why does it say sold out? Were you able to buy this online? I still really don't like this bag, but it's a smaller version. It's this much cheaper, and I'm sure the dimensions are gonna tell me that it's like significantly smaller. Mini flap with top handle. I've been seeing this bag literally everywhere. I mean, at least people talking about it literally everywhere. I am not a fan. I could understand why somebody would like this. It's black and white. It's very neutral. It goes with everything. And it's not bad, honestly, for a tweed. Like, there are some ugly tweeds out there, so it's not bad. But I do not like the structure of this bag, like the way that you have that outer division. It just looks like, I don't even know, it looks like jean pockets. When you're having like really small shorts on and the jean pockets are like sticking out, that's what this looks like, and I don't like it. I really don't like it. The tweed is, again, it's not the worst tweed ever, but it's not my favorite thing in the world. Oh, is there a pocket on the inside? Is that what that is? Yeah, I really am not. We got a mini flat bag in white. This looks kind of like a 19, but in a mini version, and it's $5,500. Listen, I like this bag. I have to be honest. I do like this bag. I do not like this price point for such a small bag. Let me look at these dimensions. 4.7. Oh, that's a small bag. $5,500 is like almost Chanel 19 prices, right? I think the Chanel 19 in the smallest size now is like what, 62, 63, 61? Either way, it's close enough that this is too expensive. Okay. I don't particularly like the Chanel boy bag with a top handle. I like the boy bag. Obviously, I have one, and I think it's a very edgy bag. I think it's cool. I just don't think it lends itself to having a top handle. There's just something about the fact that the flap is the entirety of the bag plus a top handle that doesn't look right to me. With that being said, this top handle is very cute, but $6,900 is not very cute. That is a That's a very steep price for a boy bag. Hold on. Does the chain not move? I think the chain is actually stationary on this, which I know a lot of people really don't like. The fact that the chain on the boy bag makes so much noise because it just moves around, like has a mind of its own, does whatever it feels like doing. So if that's the case, if that's how you feel, you might like this because it looks like the noise is going to be, it's not going to be completely eliminated because it does still have the little D-ring and the chain. They're probably still going to rub together, but it's definitely going to be a lot less. So something to think about. Now we have another tweed in black and white, but this one's mostly black with a little bit of white. This is a small flat bag with top handle, $5,500. Oh, this looks similar to, oh yeah, this is pretty much exactly the same as the other one that we saw. If anything, I like the other tweed better. This all black with like a little bit of white is not, it's not my favorite. I feel like Chanel is like going in with the hobo bags recently. So let's see, large hobo bag, $5,500. That's a big bag for just $5,500. And it has a little top handle. This is not my favorite bag. I would absolutely never, I would absolutely never. But if you like a hobo bag, if you like this kind of a style, the price on this one for what it is, comparatively, I know what we're talking about here, $5,500 is a lot of fucking money, but comparatively, this is not bad. I feel like they come out with this bag every freaking season, and I think it's popular every season, so that's probably why they keep doing it. But they have this shiny crumpled calfskin hobo handbag, $5,300 for this one. I really am not a fan. I haven't been a fan the entirety of this bag's lifespan. So is this velvet? $4,900 for a velvet bag. I don't know, this bag doesn't, in my opinion, lend itself to velvet. That just doesn't make any sense. This is a hobo bag. Like in my head, a hobo bag needs to be careless. You need to just like toss it around, toss everything that you need in it and get the hell out of the house. How are you gonna do that with a velvet bag? Like you need to be so careful with a velvet bag, especially if you have like dogs, cats, anything like that. Yeah. Not for me. We've got this maxi hobo bag. This looks like a diaper bag. $6,400. Oh my God. That pocket feels like it's so random. I don't know if you guys, like it feels like this pocket is just like in thin air. Like it's just like a floating pocket. And I don't understand what the reason behind that was. Like you can't fit all your crap in the big hole. Like you gotta put, what are you gonna put in there? Like your ID? I think if that pocket wasn't there, maybe if there was just like a CC logo or it said Chanel or something like that, I would like that better. Chanel 22 mini in, what is this? Shiny calfskin. This is like a, what is this? Like a pale yellow, I would say. Not even like a pale yellow, because I think like my cocoa handle is pale yellow. What would you call this? Like almost not even yellow. It's like a nudie yellow. That's what I'm calling it. This is $5,000 for the mini 22. I do have to say, like, I don't hate the mini 22 quite as much as I hate the regular size 22. I don't really like this yellow color. I feel like it's almost too pale. I don't know if that's just me making that up, but I'm glad to see they did a yellow color because you guys know I love my yellow. They did it also in a pale gray, which I definitely prefer the pale gray to, although I wish they did it with gold hardware. For some reason, the silver on the gray, like it just feels too cool toned, but I don't hate it. And then of course the color everyone is talking about, this like pinkish purple fuchsia magenta, however many words you want to call it. This Amelia Rose pink color, this is what I'm dubbing it. I love this color. I do love it. I'm not buying a 22 anytime soon, but if I was gonna buy one, it'd be this one. So we have this Chanel 22, $8,600. That's a lot of money for a garbage bag, okay? It looks like little chains like going throughout it instead of like just a regular quilting, which I do think is cool, and I think it's edgier, and I think if you were gonna get a black 19, this is not the 19, if you were gonna get a black 22, I feel like I would like this better because it does take a little bit of that trash can vibes away from it, but not like enough that I would want to spend $8,600. That's like, that is crazy. I mean, it's still not classic flap territory, but it's getting there. You know, it was on the way. Might as well save up for like another 1 or 2 paychecks and then get a classic flap, you know? Okay, I did want to talk about this Deauville, okay? I am not a Deauville type of bitch. I think we can all come together and collectively agree on that. But this Deauville is cool as hell. If I was gonna get a Deauville, this would be the one that I would get, without a question. It is so cool. It just looks like a soft pillow, and it looks like you can actually be carefree with it. There is no hardware on this other than on the chain. I really love this. This is probably my favorite Deauville that I've ever seen, and I feel like if you're gonna get a Deauville, make it this one. This is like the backpack of the season. Everyone's talking about this backpack. $7,100 for a backpack. it's blasphemous. Okay, it's aggressive, and I feel like you need to relax. But I get why it's a little bit more on the expensive side. If you look at the CC turn lock, like there is some chain details in there. If you, obviously at the bottom you have like a lot of metal details on there. So there's like specific reasons, I guess, why it would be more expensive, but you know, still not worth it. Evening bags. Ooh, this is the one that everyone is talking about. $8,700 for this sequin bag. That's a lot of money. I would rather get a sequin baguette than get this. Like, this is just, it's too much for me. But let's look at this one. Is this pearls? Price upon request. Fantastic. We got a mini, $8,700. This is just a mini with sequins. $8,700. That feels like many dollars. Like, why? Why? This is cute. $6,500. Now, wait a minute. Now, wait a minute. If you're going to get one of the evening bags, let it be this one, because this is my favorite one. I've always been very like closed-minded to a wallet on chain. Like, I don't want it. I don't want a wallet on chain. Don't ask me. I don't want it. If I'm going to get a little bag, it's going to be a mini. But I've just been obsessed, and now I think I need a wallet on chain. So let me know what you guys think. If you have a wallet on chain, do I need one? Like, do I need one? But with that being said, it wouldn't be this one if I was gonna get one anyways. So this is the Boy wallet on chain with the top handle. This is just far too expensive. Like, you could literally spend $200 more and get a mini square. Oh, this is like a cute wallet on chain, $41.50, which I still think is a ridiculous price. But this wallet on chain is kind of cute, and it has a turn lock, which I am very much into. I'm very confused by this little like closure situation. Is that adjustable? I don't think it is. You have a sequin wallet on chain. Okay, maybe this is the wallet on chain for me. No, it's definitely not. But this is a cute little evening bag. Honestly, if I was gonna get one, I'd rather get this one because it's an evening bag. You want it to be small anyways, than get the other one. But that's just me. You have another wallet on chain with, thank you, with, is that like a pearl top handle? Oh, that top handle is cute. It's probably so uncomfortable to hold that, but honestly, I would make the sacrifice. That is cute. $4,700 though, far too much for a wallet on chain. It's a no from me, dog, but I do think that's a really cute, it's a cute piece there. It's cute. This is like the trendy CC wallet on chain, except it's east-west, and it looks like, from what I'm gathering, it looks like it's just like a shoulder carry. And so all of those things combined, $48.25. No, you've got the hobo bag in like a little mini baby version, $47. Oh, that's so expensive. Pumps and slingbacks, since everyone's obsessed with the slingbacks these days. I don't know like what happened. They just had a rando resurgence and everyone's obsessed with them now. I can't relate, but like good for you if you like them. Oh, these are not even cute. What the actual hell? 23. Who would be insane enough? I wouldn't buy these at Costco. This is not it. This is not it. Whoever designed these at Chanel, you should be ashamed of yourself, because what the hell is that? I spoke too soon, because what the hell is this? Oh my God, it just gets worse. This is why I don't own Chanel shoes. You guys think I am playing? You think I'm playing? This is why I don't own them, because what is that? I'm just gonna look at earrings, and I will only speak about the ones that I like, as you guys are probably used to by now. These I absolutely adore. I love these earrings. I would go on a hunt for these earrings, and I even like the price tag. I don't know if I would want them obviously in like the gold tone or the silver. I like the shape. I think it's different. I think they're, look at them. Even the gold ones look so good. Oh, actually, the gold ones are more expensive. So that is it. That is the roundup of the 23B collection. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this collection. I have to say, it's definitely not my favorite collection in the entire world, but for me, the standout pieces are definitely the Mini 22 in that like fuchsia purple pink color. I love that. Obviously, I love those earrings. That's like, for me, another huge standout. Everything in this video is just my opinion. You are allowed to have a different opinion than mine. Actually, not even it's allowed, it's encouraged. Please have your own opinion. I welcome for you to disagree with everything that I said. I am okay with that. But let me know what you think in general in the comments. Are you picking up anything from this collection? Did you already pick up anything from this collection? Is there anything that I need to pick up from this collection? Let me know in the comments. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You see any food in my teeth? I just had an egg roll. So like, just do your best not to pay attention to it, okay?